All right, my friends, I said we were gonna go to another machine, but I'm still feeling this. Let's try a little bit more and see if we can make some more magic happen. I mean, it gave us, 3 in the end. Oh my God, I was almost the smartest genius. But we saw some good stuff in the bonus round. I think we can recreate it. 2 more? That would have helped us recreate it, but we can wait a little longer. Not that much longer, please. 2 more, 4 more, 5 more, 10 more, none more. 2 more, 1 more. Oh, we're geniuses. We are geniuses. We are brilliant geniuses. The same lucky, I've had luck on 150 on a lot of different machines. Let's continue that luck on here, please. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Okay, let's see, it's the same bonus. So for Yost didn't see the last amazing bonus. That is what we need. We need things like that, and we will get things like that. Oh, drop those. Oh, okay. We want to see those Dragon Balls drop in like out of nowhere. Okay, 4 more somewhere. Oh, that's good down there. Cool. Getting those 2 bonus rounds in the 1 bonus round, I'm sure is pretty rare, so we appreciate it for what it was. Oh, 5 of a kind anywhere? 0 of a kind everywhere. Oh, keep going. Oh my goodness. Oh, queens. 5 queens for the Emperor King. 5 queens for a king. Balls. Great balls of fire. Nope. Final games. Retrigger or something cool. The 2 for no reason. So this bonus was not the same as that last bonus. I think we can agree that this bonus was a little more lackluster. It was a bonus. We appreciate it. It is fun to get bonuses. Oh, 1 more. Oh my goodness. I was gonna say it's so fun to get bonuses. And then it's even more fun to get back-to-back bonuses. It almost read my brain. Almost read my... Oh, 2 in the end. Oh, okay, we are... What did I just say? I said something and I forgot what I said exactly, but it was something about getting bonuses and back-to-back bonuses and 3-of-a-kind bonuses, and we like it all, okay? So keep it all coming. We're in it for a few hundred. We're almost even, so at least get even. Oh, no, that's not gonna help. Let's go. 1 more. Excuse me? Hello, thank you. There was something peeking over there, a progressive of some sorts. Major, because I heard the major slap down earlier, and it was a very nice sound. I'd like to hear that major again now. Hello? Wait till the buzzer each time, or okay, I guess not. Wait till the buzzer and then. All right. Back-to-back bonuses are great. 3-of-a-kind bonuses are even better. Well, let's continue doing that. Let's continue doing that. What a glorious song. We love hearing it. Oh, 2 more, 4 more, 5 more, 10 more. 4 more? No. Oh. What was that, Jacks? I didn't even notice that. 2 more? Not 2 more Emperors. Not 2 more Emperors. 5 more of those, though. Nope. Oh. Oh my goodness, I didn't say one thing hoping that it would come. I didn't say one bloody thing. I stayed absolutely silent. I stayed absolutely silent again. Staying silent is good. I mean, you gotta speak up sometimes, but I was being very silent there too. It didn't do anything. Oh, 5 more? That would have been a good time to start. 2 more? Should we up our bet a little bit? Oh, 2 more? 1 more. Oh my goodness, I thought I was almost a genius. Oh, 4 more. Oh, 2 more in the end, please. God. Oh, goodness. I was almost... I can't finish my sentence because I think the machine just like trying to get me to do things. Do, 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 do. I was almost the most intelligent genius in this world. Oh my god, both. Why? Why do I cry? Oh my god, what the heck is that? That's such a big one for $1. Oh my goodness, I didn't say one thing. I'm just staying quiet. Try another denomination. It was so good to us. Trying to do something, but it's not doing anything. That's what's really happening. It's trying to take our money. Let's try a little bit more here. Oh. Excuse me? What was that? Oh, you could have done this for me. Why not? I just didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Try a few more 5. It's so sad when the bigger bets just absolutely nothing in them. I guess you have to just have a higher sample size. We got our tip out for the nice waitress. You counted the wild. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Okay, we got our iced coffee. We are ready and in business. Let's go to, does anyone do anything at 2 cents? $2 at $2 at 2 cents. $3 at 2 cents. So those are the numbers up there. We're not scared. A little bit scared. Oh. We're excited. Let's, oh my god, 2, please. Oh my god. What the heck was that? I don't want to talk about what that was. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to taco about it. Whoops. That was the rage. Ooh. What was that? What were those numbers? It was like about almost $200 right then and there before the spin. Oh my god, please do. Please do. Let's leave it at that. Some beautiful jade thingies. $7.50 back, they like that. I'm not. Oh my, I thought that was it. We saw a few bonus rounds. Those were really nice, but what do you guys think? Would you keep going? Oh my goodness, I was about to look like a genius there. Where were you last spin? In your sheath. Your beautiful sword. I didn't say a thing. I didn't say one thing. And one honk from him or there. But I didn't say one thing. Not to scare it away. I didn't say anything again. And this machine is toying with me. It's toying with my emotions. I don't like it one bit. I don't like it one bit. I was saying they should. I was gonna say they should eliminate 5 and only put in 4, 6, or whatever it is, like 1, 2, nothing. Like, why taunt a player? Why hurt their feelings so bad? Why break their hearts? I'm gonna go back to 1 cent, which was working so well. We need to come back 1 cent. I'm not saying a dang thing. I will just quietly hit this button. Oh my god. I'll just be a good boy and quietly hit this button and hope for the best. I quietly up the bet. I quietly up the bet and I've been rewarded. Max bet 1 cent. We like it. We need about $1 million back, but we can do it. I think we can. So, oh goodness, 6. We need 10 more. Oh, sorry for 10. I need 1 more actually. Just 1 more. I don't want to be too greedy. Okay, there we go. Okay. Big numbers and big numbers, right? That's how it works. Max bet bonus, max bet bonus. Come on, come on. Okay. Max bet bonus, max bet bonus. Oh, progressives. I'll take the cute little mini too. It's fine. The big honk. We need a big honk. Oh, okay. We like that one. That's far. Yeah. That's beautiful, isn't it? So far, so good. We need so far, so great. Come on, do it. Drop one of those, the green one. Oh, I saw the train. Oh my goodness, the train is going by in there. Let's go, come on. Train, 1 more. Wait, oh, I have 1 more. I didn't realize that. Oh, that was crazy because I felt like I had none, but I had 1. And it didn't matter one bit. But it was nice to have that second to last. Pretty good. The max bet, so. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Alright, we won back most of our money. That's pretty good. That is quite lovely. I would have to say that's great. That's a nice comeback. You know, the train was showing up, but it was not meant to be, but we still appreciate it. We'll try a few backups and see where our lives take us. Oh my goodness. Huge numbers at max bet 1 pennies. Oh, we're almost geniuses again. Okay, so that would have been. Oh, I didn't say one thing. Okay, people. I think we're gonna end it there. We were down to like, what was it, 20 or something like that. We were in it for 300. and we had a pretty good comeback. Sometimes you just gotta appreciate the player points you earned and the fun you had, the roller coaster you had, and then just move on to the next machine, which is what we're gonna do. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.